Hello and welcome back everyone. Now you can see the topic in mathematics, exponents, that is known as indices. Now you can see a simple example here, 2 raised to power 3. Here you can see 2 raised to power 3. Now here 2 is, we are taking as base and 3 as power or index or exponent, or we can say indices also. Now what it means? So exponents or indices, index or exponent, then again power, that indicates numbers that indicate how many times a number or variable is multiplied by itself. So इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ, 2 रेज टू पावर 3 है, विच मीन्स यहाँ पे बेस 2 है. सो नंबर और इट कैन बी वेरिएबल, सो नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. That is the meaning 2 raised to power 3. Now let us see the simple example how you can solve the questions in exponents or indices. Now let us see the first one, 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 5. Now you can see here base is same 2, and again here you have base is 2. So if base is same, now you can add the powers by writing the number 2 once. So base is same, you will write base is 2, here base is 2, again here base is 2, so write 2 and see the power. So base is same, so you have to add the powers. So 3 plus 5, so your answer will be 2 raised to 3 plus 5, that is 8. So your answer will be 2 raised to power 8. So here now the power or index or exponent becomes 8. Let us see the next one. So these are the different types. Now first one, this first one we have taken a simple type here. In this we can say base is same, so you have to add the powers. Now let us see the next one. Next one's यहाँ पे 2 raised to power 3, again bracket close है, then again you have power. So this type of problem you can solve. Simply write 2, then multiply 3 into 5. 3 into 5, that is 15. So your answer will be 2 raised to 15. So if you have 2 raised to power 3, then bracket close, then you have again power. So simply you have to multiply 3 into 5, that is 3 into 5, 2 raised to 3 into 5, that is 15. So answer will be 2 raised to power 15. So this is the second type here. This is your second type. Now let us see the third type. In this you can see 2 raised to power 5, that is divided by 2 raised to power 3. So in the first one it was multiplication, now here it is division. So you have to simply subtract the powers. So write 2 here, base is same. Let us see here, the base is same. यहाँ पे भी आपका base same है, so base similar है. So powers को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे subtract करना है. अगर divide में है, division में है. Now here it is in multiplication, so आप powers को add करोगे. Now यहाँ पे divide में है, simply what you will do, 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 2 raised to power 2. So this is your final answer for this type. So we have now 3 types of questions in exponents. So first one, when the base is same, so add the powers. Now this is 2 raised to power, then again bracket is closed, then again you have power. So simply you have to multiply, multiplication is done here of the powers. Now third type में आपका division है, base same है, so आप powers को क्या करोगे, subtract करोगे. So in this way you can solve 3, you can say different types in exponents or indices, and there are few more types that we will discuss in next video. So thank you very much, take care, have a great day.